Welcome to another lesson on financial maths. So we're going to talk about, in this lesson, reducing balance loans. Let's give it a read. It says a reducing balance loan. Now this is where I'm going to get another highlighter out. I'm going to get a different color. A reducing balance loan attracts compound interest. Let's then change colors again. And periodic repayments are made. Okay, so a reducing balance loan consists of compound interest and periodic repayments are made. Keep that in mind. We'll come back to that soon. We keep reading. A common application of a reducing balance loan is a mortgage. So when you think about it, you get a mortgage. That's when the bank loans you a whole bunch of money, and the bank is going to charge you interest on it, and you're also going to pay it off periodically. So that's making sense of those two things there. Also, we've got a little note here, and that is in general maths, the number of compounding periods per year will be equal to the number of repayments made per year. That is, if interest is charged monthly, repayments will also be made monthly. We'll talk more about that as we go along. Let's now look at our recursion relation here. So here it is right here. So as you can see, you've got your principal amount here. And then here, this is where I want to get my same colors. So remember how we spoke about compound interest here? This R is representing the amount of interest that is accruing. And then we also spoke about how we had periodic repayments that are made. That's represented by this minus D here. So I'm subtracting away a certain amount each time as well. So you've got that compound interest component and this periodic repayment component of a reducing balance loan. Okay, let us keep reading. We'll come down here now. It says the repayment made, D, must be greater than the interest being charged, D. So let me say that again. The repayment made, D, must be greater than the interest being charged. D must have a greater effect than R in order for the total amount owed to decrease. So this is really important here. If you were to go to the bank and take out a loan, you have to make sure that your repayments are making the entire thing go down. So in other words, the effect of D has to be greater than the effect of R here. Otherwise, it's just going to keep growing. You're going to be paying things off, but it's never going to go down. So that's just something to keep in mind as we're going through it. All right, I think it's time to jump through some examples now.